Welcome back. We shall begin this session by reviewing the concept of system of linear equations and augmented matrix. We will also present the definition and a discussion of consistency of system of linear equations. Nature of the general solution of a non-homogeneous system of equations will be analyzed. Method to find solution of a non-homogeneous system of linear equations will be illustrated through examples. System of linear equations and augmented matrix. A system of m linear equations in n unknowns x1, x2, etc. xn is a set of equations of the following form: a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus etc. plus a1n xn is equal to b1, a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus etc. plus a2n xn is equal to b2, etc. am1 x1 plus am2 x2 plus etc. plus amn xn is equal to bm. Equation number 1. The above system of equations can be expressed as a single metric equation ax is equal to b. Equation number 2, where a, x and b are as follows: a is equal to metric a11, a12, etc. a1n, a21, a22, etc. a2n, etc. am1, am2, etc. amn. X is equal to column metric x1, x2, etc. xn, and b is equal to column metric b1, b2, etc. bm. If b not equal to 0, the 0 column metric, then the system 2 is called a non-homogeneous system. In that case, at least one of bj is different from 0 and the system of linear of equations 1 is a non-homogeneous system. A solution of the system 1 is any set of values of x1, x2, etc. xn which satisfies simultaneously the m equations. Equivalently, any column metric x that satisfies the metric equation 2 is a solution of the system 2. When the system has a solution, it is said to be consistent. Otherwise, the system is said to be inconsistent. A consistent system has either a unique solution or infinitely many solutions. It may be noted that the 0 column metric 0 is equal to column metric 0, 0, etc. 0 m by 1 is not a solution of any non-homogeneous system of m equations. Definition: augmented metric. The metric AB obtained by placing the column metric B to the right of the metric A is called the augmented metric. Thus, the augmented metric of the system AX is equal to B is metric AB is equal to metric A11, A12, etc. A1n, B1, A21, A22, etc. A21, B2, etc. AM1, AM2, etc. AMN, BM, m by n plus 1, that is metric AB is the m by n plus 1 metric whose first n columns are corresponding n columns of A and the n plus 1th column is the column metric B. Consistent system of linear equations. We characterize a consistent system of linear equations. Theorem 1. Necessary and sufficient condition for a system of linear equations to be consistent. The system AX is equal to B is consistent if and only if the metric A and the augmented metric AB has the same rank. Equivalently, the system 1 of linear equations has a solution if and only if A and metric AB have the same rank. Proof. Let the rank of the metric A be R. Then any linearly independent set of column vectors of A contains at most R elements. If a set consists of R linearly independent columns, then that set is a basis for the vector space generated by columns of A. Also, we may write A is equal to row metric C1 etc. CR, CR plus 1 etc. Cn. And without loss of generality, assume that the first R columns C1 etc. CR form a basis for the column space of A, and hence each column of A is a linear combination of these columns. The given equation Ax is equal to B is equivalent to x1 c1 plus x2 c2 plus etc. plus xn cn, which is equal to b. Equation number 3. Suppose now that the rank of the metric AB is the same as that of metric A. That is, suppose rank of AB is equal to R. Now, since rank of AB is also equal to R, the maximum number of linearly independent columns of the metric AB is R, and its columns C1 etc. CR form such a system. Hence, the column B can be expressed as a linear combination of C1 etc. CR as follows: K1 C1 plus K2 C2 plus etc. plus KR CR, which is equal to B. Question number 4. Where K1 etc. KR are real numbers, we rewrite 4 as K1 C1 plus etc. plus KR CR plus 0 CR plus 1 plus etc. plus 0 CN, which is equal to B. Equation number 5. Comparing 3 and 5, x1 is equal to k1 etc. xr is equal to kr, xr plus 1 is equal to 0 etc. xn is equal to 0. So that there exists a solution. X is equal to k1, k2 etc. kr, 0 etc. 0 raised to t, whose first r components are k1 etc. kr, and each of remaining n minus r components is 0. Thus, the given system of equations is consistent if the metric A and AB have the same rank. Conversely, suppose the system of equations is consistent so that there exist n scalars x1 etc. xn such that B is equal to x1 c1 plus etc. plus xn cn. Equation number 6. As the rank of the metric A is R, each of the columns CR plus 1 etc. Cn of the metric A is a linear combination of the columns C1 etc. Cr, and hence we deduce from 6 that B also is a linear combination of C1 etc. Cr. Thus, the maximum number of linearly independent columns in the metric AB is R, and as such its rank is R, which is also the rank of A. Nature of the general solution. Suppose that the matrices A and AB are of the same rank R, so that the system of equations Ax is equal to B, equation number 7, is consistent. Since R is the rank, the corresponding homogeneous system Ax is equal to 0, equation number 8, has n minus r linearly independent solutions. Let x1, x2 etc. xn minus r be a set of n minus r linearly independent solutions of the homogeneous system 8. Let x0 be any solution of the non-homogeneous system 7. Claim x0 plus k1 x1 plus k2 x2 plus etc. plus kn minus r xn minus r is equal to x0 plus y, where y is equal to k1 x1 plus k2 x2 plus etc. plus kn minus r xn minus r is the general solution of the homogeneous system 8. Here k1 etc. kn minus r being any set of n minus r scalars, we have a x0 plus y is equal to a x0 plus ay, which is equal to b plus 0, as ay is equal to 0, which is equal to b. Hence, x0 plus y is a solution of the given equation Ax is equal to b. Conversely, if z be a solution of the equation 7, then we have Az is equal to b, equation number 9, and hence Az minus x0 is equal to Az minus Ax0, which is equal to b minus b, which is equal to 0. So that z minus x0 is a solution of the homogeneous equation 8. Writing z is equal to x0 plus z minus x0, we see that every solution z of the equation 1 is expressively as the sum of a solution x0, and some solution z minus x0 of the homogeneous equation Ax is equal to 0. This completes the proof. Corollary 1. If A is an n-rowed non-singular square metric, then the system 7 is consistent and has a unique solution. Proof. In this case, the rank of A and AB is n. Thus, the equation Ax is equal to B is consistent. Since rank is equal to the number of unknowns, the solution is unique. In fact, A inverse B is a unique solution. Corollary 2. Suppose that A, B are n-rowed square matrices and X is an n-rowed square matrix of unknowns such that Ax is equal to B. The metric equation Ax is equal to B has a solution if and only if each of the matrices A and AB have the same rank. Proof. Suppose that A, B are n-rowed square matrices and X is an n-rowed square matrix of unknowns such that Ax is equal to B. Let B is equal to row metric B1 etc. Bn and X is equal to X1 etc. Xn, so that B1 etc. Bn are columns of the matrix B and X1 etc. Xn are columns of the matrix X of unknowns. Then the given equation Ax is equal to B is equivalent to the system of equations Ax1 is equal to B1 etc. Axn is equal to Bn. Thus, we see that the equation Ax is equal to B is consistent if and only if each of the matrices A1, metric AB1, metric AB2, etc. metric ABn has same rank. That is, if and only if each of the columns of the metric B is linearly dependent upon the set of columns of A. These conditions are equivalent to saying that the matrices A and metric AB have the same rank. Thus, the metric equation Ax is equal to B has a solution if and only if each of the matrices A and AB have the same rank. Remarks. With the same assumption as in the theorem and that Ax is equal to B has a solution, we have the following particular cases. In particular, if A is an n-rowed non-singular matrix, then the metric A and AB are of the same rank, with n. In that case, the equation Ax is equal to B possesses the unique solution X is equal to A inverse B. In case A is singular and B is a zero column matrix, then obviously the condition for consistency is satisfied. In this case, the solution will not be unique as the solution of the auxiliary equation Ax is equal to 0 is also not unique in this case. But we bring the attention of the student to note that if A is singular and B is not the zero column metric, then the condition for consistency may not be satisfied. Remark. In a consistent system of linear equations with n unknowns whose coefficient metric A has rank r less than n, we can assign arbitrary values to the n minus r unknowns and determine the remaining r unknowns uniquely in terms of these arbitrary values. In this case, the system have infinite number of solutions. Method of finding solution of a non-homogeneous system of linear equations. If we are given with a system of m equations in n unknowns, proceed as follows. Write down the corresponding metric equation Ax is equal to B. By elementary row transformations, obtain row reduced echelon form of the augmented metric AB. Examine whether the rank of A and the rank of AB are the same or not. Case 1. If rank of A is equal to rank of AB, then the system is consistent. Case 1a. If rank of A is equal to rank of AB, which is equal to n, which is equal to number of unknowns, then the system has a unique solution. Case 1b. If R is equal to rank of A is equal to rank of AB less than n, which is equal to number of unknowns, then the system has infinitely many solutions. We assign arbitrary values to n minus r unknowns and determine the remaining r unknowns uniquely. Case 2. If rank of A not equal to rank of AB, then the system is inconsistent and has no solution. Example 1. Show that the system of equations x plus 2y plus z is equal to 2, 3x plus y minus 2z is equal to 1, 4x minus 3y minus z is equal to 3, 2x plus 4y plus 2z is equal to 4 is consistent and hence solve them. Solution. The metric equation corresponding to the given system of equation is metric 1 2 1, 3 1 minus 2, 4 minus 3 minus 1, 2, 4, 2 into metric x, y, z is equal to metric 2, 1, 3, 4. Equation number 10. The augmented metric AB is given by metric AB is equal to metric 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1 minus 2, 1, 4 minus 3 minus 1, 3, 2, 4, 2, 4, which is equivalent to metric 1, 2, 1, 2, 0 minus 5 minus 5 minus 5, 0 minus 11 minus 5 minus 5, 0, 0, 0, 0 by R21 into minus 3, R31 minus 4, R41 minus 2, which is equivalent to the metric 1, 2, 1, 2, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 minus 11 minus 5 minus 5, 0, 0, 0, 0 by R2 of minus 1 by 5, which is equivalent to the metric 1, 0 minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 6, 6, 0, 0, 0, 0 by R12 of minus 2, R32 of 11, which is equivalent to the metric 1, 0 minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 by R3 of 1 by 6, which is equivalent to the metric 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 by R13 of 1, R23 of minus 1. The metric given just above is the row echelon form of the augmented metric AB obtained by a finite sequence of elementary row transformations to the metric AB. Since the echelon metric has 3 non-zero rows with leading coefficients 1 and columns containing that 1 has zeros elsewhere, we can see that rank of AB is 3. Also, by the same sequence of row transformations, we have A is equivalent to metric 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. So that rank of A is equal to 3. Hence, rank of A is equal to 3, which is equal to rank of AB. Therefore, by the theorem, the system is consistent. Also, since rank of A is equal to 3, which is equal to the number of unknowns, the system has unique solution. Now, to find the solution, we see that the given system of equations 9 or the metric equation 10 is equivalent to the metric equation metric 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0 into metric x, y, z is equal to metric 1, 0, 1, 0 or metric x, y, z 0 is equal to column metric 1, 0, 1, 0. Therefore, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 1. So, the solution to the system of equations is x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to column metric x, y, z, which is equal to column metric 1, 0, 1 is the solution vector. Example 2. Show that the system of equations given below is consistent, hence solve the same. X1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 4, 2x1 plus 5x2 minus 2x3 is equal to 3. Solution. The augmented metric corresponding to the given system of equations is given by metric AB is equal to metric 1, 1, 1, 4, 2, 5 minus 2, 3, which is equivalent to metric 1, 1, 1, 4, 0, 3 minus 4 minus 5 by R21 of minus 2, which is equivalent to the metric 1, 1, 1, 4, 0, 1 minus 4 by 3 minus 5 by 3 by R2 of 1 by 3, which is equivalent to the metric 1, 0, 7 by 3, 17 by 3, 0, 1 minus 4 by 3 minus 5 by 3 by R12 of minus 1. The metric given just above is the row echelon form of AB. Since the echelon metric has 2 non-zero rows, rank of AB is 2. Also, by the same sequence of elementary transformations, we have A is equivalent to 1, 0, 7 by 3, 0, 1 minus 4 by 3. So that rank of A is equal to 2. Hence, rank of AB is equal to 2, which is equal to rank of A. So that by the theorem, the system is consistent. Also, since the rank of A is equal to 2 less than 3, which is equal to the number of unknowns, the system possesses infinitely many solutions. We can assign arbitrary values to n minus r, which is equal to 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1 unknown. Now to find the solution, we see that the given system of equation is equivalent to the metric equation, metric 1 0 7 by 3, 0 1 minus 4 by 3 into metric x1 x2 x3, which is equal to metric 17 by 3 minus 5 by 3, or metric x1 plus 7 by 3 x3, x2 minus 4 by 3 x3, which is equal to metric 17 by 3 minus 5 by 3. The metric equation is equivalent to the system of equations x1 plus 7 by 3 x3 is equal to 17 by 3, x2 minus 4 by 3 x3 is equal to minus 5 by 3. Choose x3 is equal to a, where a is an arbitrary constant that can take any value. Then we obtain x1 plus 7 by 3a is equal to 17 by 3, that is x1 is equal to minus 7 by 3a plus 17 by 3. x2 minus 4 by 3a is equal to minus 5 by 3, that is x2 is equal to 4 by 3a minus 5 by 3. Hence the solution is given by x is equal to column metric x1, x2, x3, which is equal to minus 7 by 3a plus 17 by 3, 4 by 3a minus 5 by 3 a. Remarks. In the solution of example 2, a is arbitrary, and if we put particular values to a, we get particular solutions to the given equation. If we put a is equal to 1, the solution will be x is equal to column metric x1, x2, x3, which is equal to column metric minus 7 by 3 plus 17 by 3, 4 by 3 minus 5 by 3, 1, which is equal to column metric 10 by 3 minus 1 by 3, 1. As we can put infinitely many values to a, the number of solutions to the given system of linear equations is infinite. In example 2, one can assign arbitrary value to any one of the variables x1, x2 and x3. In the solution above, we have put the arbitrary value to the variable x3. If we put arbitrary value a to the variable x1, the solution vector will be x is equal to column metric x1, x2, x3, which is equal to column metric a 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7 a, 33 by 21 minus 4 by 7 a. Similarly, if we put arbitrary value a to the variable x2, the solution vector will be x is equal to metric x1, x2, x3, which is equal to metric 33 by 12 minus 7 by 4 a, 5 by 4 plus 3 by 4 a. Example 3. Apply the rank test to examine whether the following system of equations is consistent, and if consistent, find the complete solutions. X plus y plus z is equal to minus 3, 3x plus y minus 2z is equal to minus 2, 2x plus 4y plus 7z is equal to 7. Solution. Metric AB is equal to metric 1 1 1 minus 3, 3 1 minus 2 minus 2, 2 4 7 7. By performing row elementary transformations to the augmented metric 5 times, we have obtained its row echelon form, metric 1 0 minus 3 by 2 0, 0 1 5 by 2 0, 0 0 0 1. Since the echelon form has 3 non-zero rows, the rank of AB is equal to 3. Also, by the same elementary transformation, it can be seen that the echelon form of A is 1 0 minus 3 by 2, 0 1 5 by 2, 0 0 0. Since the echelon form has 2 non-zero rows, the rank of A is equal to 2. Hence, it can be seen that rank of A is equal to 2, not is equal to 3, which is equal to rank of AB. Hence, the system is inconsistent and has no solution. Example 4. Investigate for what values of AB the system of equations x plus y plus 2z is equal to 2, 2x minus y plus 3z is equal to 10, 5x minus y plus az is equal to b have no solution, unique solution and an infinite number of solutions. Solution. Here the augmented metric is metric AB is equal to metric 1 1 2 2, 2 minus 1 3 10, 5 minus 1 AB, which is equivalent to the metric 1 1 2 2, 0 minus 3 minus 1 6, 0 minus 6 A minus 10 B minus 10 by R2 of minus 2, R3 1 of minus 5, which is equivalent to the metric 1, 1, 2, 2, 0, 1, 1 by 3 minus 2, 0, minus 6, a minus 10, b minus 10 by R2 of minus 1 by 3, which is equivalent to the metric 1, 0, 5 by 3, 4, 0, 1, 1 by 3 minus 2, 0, 0, a minus 8, b minus 22 by R12 of minus 1, R32 of 6. 1. The given system of equations have no solution if and only if rank of A not equal to rank of the augmented metric AB. From the last metric, echelon form of the augmented metric, it can be seen that this is possible if and only if A minus 8 is equal to 0 and B minus 22 not equal to 0. That is, if and only if A is equal to 8 and B not equal to 22. That is, the system has no solution if A is equal to 8 and B not equal to 22. Second, the given system of equations have unique solution if rank of A is equal to rank of the augmented metric AB is equal to 3, the number of unknowns. From the last metric obtained by elementary row transformation on AB, it can be seen that this is possible if and only if A minus 8 not equal to 0 and with B minus 22 has any value. That is, if and only if A not equal to 8 and B take any value. That is, the system has unique solution if A not equal to 8 and B take any value. 3. The given system of equations have infinitely many solutions if rank of A is equal to rank of the augmented metric AB less than 3, the number of unknowns. From the last metric obtained, it can be seen that this is possible if and only if A minus 8 is equal to 0 and with B minus 22 is equal to 0. That is, the system has infinitely many solutions if A is equal to 8 and B is equal to 22. Now, let us summarize the session. In this session, we have reviewed the concept of system of linear equations and augmented metric. The definition of consistency of system of linear equations has been given. Nature of the general solution, non-homogeneous system of equations are considered. Method of finding solution to a non-homogeneous system of linear equation is illustrated through examples. Before moving to the next session, let us try to answer these questions. Test for consistency, and if consistent, solve the following. X plus y plus z is equal to 6, x minus y plus z is equal to 2, 2x minus y plus 3z is equal to 9. X plus y plus z is equal to 4, 2x plus 5y minus 2z is equal to 3. Show that the equations x plus y plus z is equal to A, 3x plus 4y plus 5z is equal to B, 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to C have no solution if A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 1. Have many solutions if A is equal to B by 2 is equal to C is equal to 1. See you next time. Till then, goodbye.